Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and initiating recovery right away. Plug the Chromecast into its original power adapter. This prevents brownouts that trigger untrusted errors. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into the same Google account. This ensures pairing credentials match. Open the Google Home app, locate the device, and tap the device card to begin the setup or recovery flow. Once done, leave the Chromecast powered and the app open while it attempts to reconnect. Next, you force a clean state and revalidate credentials to remove the untrusted flag. Hold the Chromecast button for at least 25 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. That triggers a factory reset and clears corrupted keys. Then immediately open Google Home and look for the new device card. Accept prompts for location and permissions. If discovery fails, switch your phone or router bands because mismatched bands can block pairing. Make sure to try a guest network to rule out router profile conflicts. Finally, you reconfigure and lock in the trusted status by completing setup and installing the latest firmware. Updates refresh device certificates and often resolve trust errors. If the untrusted message returns, inspect your router. Ensure DHCP is enabled, firewall rules aren't blocking ports, and MDNS/UPnP are allowed so discovery and authentication work. If that still fails, try pairing with another phone or Google account to isolate the issue, and collect logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.